Hi everyone, hope everyone's been going well. Some great news yesterday. It's great when all of the hard work comes together. The federal government putting in a bill with regards to access to service repair data. All of the associations have been working closely together. We have been reviewing the overseas programs to ensure that we get the best program here in Australia for the benefit of both independent repairers and dealers. And I think what we've ended up is with a good balanced position with a legislation that protects the interest for both and ensures that the independent repairers get fair access at a reasonable price, and we are mindful of the investments that the dealers have to put in to support their franchises. That was in addition to some good news we had a couple of weeks ago where the federal government did put a reform agenda together to protect car dealers against manufacturers, especially when they're withdrawing from the market like Holden did. We've got other manufacturers who are changing their business models, and we need to make sure that they are mindful of the impact they have on dealers. So two really big wins. It's been many years in the making on both of those issues, and it's great to see that we're getting some action finally. With COVID, what a difference 12 months makes. It was 12 months ago that the COVID hit and we had the impact, and we all know what the ramifications that's been. So I think it has been a real hard grind, and I congratulate everybody on their resilience and getting to this point. JobKeeper finishes this week. Obviously been a real godsend to the whole economy and to, I think, many of our businesses. But I think, it's time now that that's going to move on. I know there's some businesses out there that are still struggling and still sort of need some help. So please keep talking to us, and we're happy to help, and we'll try and access whatever programs we can for you on an ongoing basis. The other one is it was great that the state government finally started to release the next stage of the restrictions on the economy. I think the beauty of releasing the restrictions, people are going to get mobile, people are going to get in their cars, they're going to go driving around, and that again then gives us opportunities to get more customers in our businesses. So on that note, thank you everybody, have a great weekend and see you next week.